Today's tip, get out of your own head. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So doesn't 4 plus 4. Get out of your own head. There's a different way of doing stuff. Let's go. Let's build a pub table and go over how I get sales in my business. You see, most people are in their own way. In other words, you gotta get out of your head. Most people think, I don't have enough tools. I don't have enough clients. I don't have enough people to network. Get out of your own head and let's dive into a strategy that I call creating an experience. We're living in a time of complete information and stimulation, so you're gonna have to offer an experience to get those sales. Whether you're in your home garage or a big workshop, you have to produce an experience in order to cash in those bucks. Let's get set up and cleaned up. Make sure your shop is nice and organized. Hang things on the wall. Even if it doesn't make sense, but it looks really cool, do it, because this is about stimulating the senses, and we're starting with sight. You also have to get the smell right. Like I said, we're hitting them on all senses. Take that retail store Bath & Body Works, for example. It smells amazing. They're selling Bath & Body products and they need to look the part and smell the part. Now don't be a knucklehead. You're not gonna light a candle. We are in a workshop full of sawdust that's highly flammable, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mill up a nice aromatic wood, something like cedar. Disconnect your planer hose and let the smell of that cedar just take over the entire shop. I promise you, the first thing the client does when they walk in the shop is they'll say it smells amazing. Focusing on sound is also important. Think about it like this. Even if you're in a hotel lobby and going up an elevator,
really?
they have music in that elevator because they're giving you an experience to take your mind off of your surroundings. That elevator is miserable, but the music might just make you relax a little. And of course, picking the right kind of music is also crucial. I listen to all kinds of music, but we're not basing this off of what you do. You need to keep it light and neutral. I play 1980s music when people come into my shop because it's a song or an era that most people can relate to as happy and they can just enjoy it, whether they're old or young. And my favorite of all the senses is touch or feel. You don't want to skip this one. Always have something in your shop of quality that a client can touch. When they're able to feel it and put it in their hands, it changes the game. I would suggest having a couple of cutting boards in your shop. Whether you do one with epoxy resin or just a flat out normal cutting board, it's great because one, it can be an impulse buy. After you put it in their hands and they touch it and feel it, they may just want to buy it. It's an impulse purchase. But it also will translate to quality for them because most cutting boards are going to be made of hard wood and the feel of it is going to be super nice. Please keep in mind, these ideas and tips, they worked super well for me and they may not work for you. But whatever the case is, you're also going to want to market yourself. Run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, do something, but you got to be proactive to build that client base. One of the largest things you can do for yourself is to Google your demographics for your local area. What is the household median income? Knowing your demographics could help you price your furniture correctly. If your household median income was $30,000 for your local area, they're not going to buy a dining table for $10,000. You're going to have to focus on picnic tables. So learn your demographics. And always remember, while you climb that ladder to success, turn back around and pull someone else up. If you know somebody this video could help, please share it.